The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Supplies out the building to take to I don't know where else. Him asked maintenance to take it out to his car. These are the supplies that we're supposed to be using for the virus. Now it's going out the building. It's going into a car. It's going into a car, and I'm telling this to the Ministry of Health. This is supposed to go to the Ministry of Health. We have people with the virus in the building, and now this thing is going in his car. He's moving it out the building. Come on the phone. Nearly come on your phone. This is going into the administrator car. When him left him workers, them unprotected. They're leaving us unprotected. Very unprotected. All of this stuff now is going into the administrator car. Can you believe me? Me know where your phone. This is. Pilot, leave the box. Make him carry it. No, leave it. Pilot, make him carry them. No, Pilot, leave it. Leave it. Pilot, leave it. Cut. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Make him carry it. Leave it. Make him carry it, Pilot. Because these are gowns. See? Pilot, leave it.
Don't touch
Pilot, move. Move, Pilot, move. These are gowns. See who's taking it out. Pilot, leave it. Pilot, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Are the gown them? See? These are the gowns. We're calling News 12. We're calling News 12. How can you let your staff unprotected and taking out supplies in time like this to take somewhere else, Elephant? How could you do this, Elephant? Pilot is it. You don't have to see it. Just catch the name and that's all about it. See there? That's it. Him a carry them way. See? Him show them say him have it, but now it's in Elephant's vehicle. Okay, people in Connecticut, this is what happening to us here at Greenwich. At Greenwich. See that? It gone. Him take all our thing them. Him take it where? He took out all of the gowns. That's crazy. This is crazy, man. Millie, I don't know if I don't want to work. I don't want to work. This is crazy.
So big up and respect viewers and subscribers. This is a Dancehall. You see it? And look, I just present that video to you. This video I just presented to you. And you know, my understanding, right? Just in case the persons might not understand as to what the person had said, but my understanding is that the person in the background of the video is basically saying that the supplies that are there to protect the staff at a place where persons are working, basically these supplies that are supposed to be protecting persons from the COVID-19 and probably other pharma viruses or so on, you see me? Those things are being put into the back of the administrator's vehicle to be taken away. You see me? So basically that are going to leave the staff unprotected at some point, or maybe them not have enough things left if some of these things being taken away, or probably is the whole thing. Now, whether if it's all I take away or some I take away viewers and subscribers, may I tell you this? Me nah work unprotected. That's my point of view, you know. So may I say to you, me nah work unprotected. You see me? Yeah, and you know, I won't say anything, you know. I just report it to the necessary authorities about this thing. You understand? Yeah, and I only hope them take the right and proper step towards this thing, you see? Well, anyways, let me know what you think about that video, yeah, viewers and subscribers. Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, you see? And the first one that I'm going to show you right about now, according to social media, is that this video shows of a person that had been arrested by Bahamian police. So, according to social media, is that this had happened within the Bahamas Islands, where this person had been arrested by the Bahamian police. Now, you know, this video is out on social media where persons are wondering why this person had been arrested by the police. And you know, me listen to the video and me hear where the word rum had been mentioned. So me I wonder who I drink the rum there. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you right about now so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? So take a look, listen, observe, and then tell me what you think. You see me? Why is it that this person had been arrested? Let me know what you think. Observe.
I remember him being rude.
I want not to come in my yard
This is not his first time here.
I want not to come in my yard. No, sir. I want to you lock us, sir. I in my own yard. You come to my door.
You lock us, sir.
No. Yes, sir. You lock us. Yes, sir. You lock us. Thank you. Thank you. Corporal
This is not
He's locking me up in my own yard.
Sir, let me take your number on it.
Yes, sir. No. This is the second time. You're resisting now. I am not resisting. I am not resisting in my own yard. Let's go. He hooking me up on my Excuse me.
Hold on. And this the second time. And guess what? He come for rum.
Thank you.
And he drunk too. He stink of rum.
You hold my arm.
That's right. Thinking nobody know it. What you come for now? You can get in problems. Okay. Right there.
Yes.
Everybody. Let me come on the government road.
No, sir.
Officer 2744, Mr. Brooks, bring to this post, being disrespectful.
Anderson, you resisting now. You resisting now.
No, Anderson, stop it. Anderson.
You resisting, yes now.
Let him sit in the car. Anderson, sit in the car. Because Brooks will be in trouble too. And he know what I talking about.
Just sit down. I just said this twice.
Yes, you've been and you was rude the twice you've been here.
Mama, don't run over them. Don't run over them. Don't run over this police.
Let's go.
That's right. Rude man. First time he been here, come stinker rum. Come again, stinker rum.
Wait.
And being rude. And being rude. The second time, the first time you come, you accuse us.
Hold on. Don't run over them. He just get us aggravated. Don't run over them.
The lawyers will hear about this. This going straight to PM desk. And your boss.
Mama, what you want me? Mama, don't run over this place. Don't run over them.
Yeah, do the thing.
Now, this video up on social media where some persons are saying, yo, the police officers, they are rude, and some persons are saying, no, we are not sure what this person had done, or I am not sure what this person had done. You see what I'm saying to you? All kind of things have been said, where people are speculate and them are guess and, assume as to what had happened or so on. You see me? However, this video is out on social media. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me only there so to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I want. So that's why I bring this video to you and make you see what's going on out there on social media right about now. You see me? So persons are wondering what could have caused for the police officers to have arrested this person. Alright? You let me know what you think. You see me? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you right about now, you see, is one of those videos that is going to show off something of a kind act. At least, I think it is a kind act, you see me? And I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because, a lot of times I see where police officers get nothing but bad blames and bad names and so forth, you see me? So, whenever them do something good, me Dancehall Skilla, I'm going to show it, say, yes, them do something good, because I know everybody bad, you see me? Now, this video that I'm going to show you is going to show off law enforcers within a country basically assisting persons that are said to be homeless, like giving them food and so on, you see me? Yeah, to make sure them can be as comfortable as much as them can help, you see me? That's how me understand it, you see it? And what I see in this video, if this is not an act of kindness, then me don't know what to say. You understand me? So me I present this video to you so that you can tell me what you think, if it is an act of kindness or what. You understand me? But anyways, take a look at this video and listen and observe.
You coming now or you want him to bring it?
Take one, yes, sir. You got juice here.
Look at drink. There you go. You're welcome. So look at straw. Here, here you go. Here, the drink.
Yeah, look at that, 2 more here.
Somebody again. Come for the food. And the drink. And the 5 of you? One other person, listen. Who is the 6th person? The next person come yet?
Somebody got to keep him.
At this hour he may not come, so. He was leaving to come. Yeah, we might see somebody on the road who more needy. So who does bring breakfast for you all in the morning?
So me I talk about. So if this is not an act of kindness, me don't know what to say. You understand? Like I said, it's not everybody out there that are doing bad things are bad. You understand me? Anyways, well, I'm going to move on to the final video right about now, viewers and subscribers. You see, and this video is going to show of a person talking about something that police officers had done. You see me? Now, if you listen to the video, we'll get a better understanding as to where this had happened and so on. You see me? I mean, you know, it's best for you to hear from the person that is explaining themselves, and then you will get a better understanding. You see me? But however, now, this person is talking about something that police officers had done or police had done. You see what I'm saying to you? And you know, this person do this video, and this video is out on social media. I may present it to you so that you can hear it for yourself. You see me? And you can tell me what you think about what this person had said in the video. You see me? I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. You see me? And you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, and the one that I'm going to show you right about now. You see what I'm saying to you? And stay safe and keep yourself protected and all these things. You see me? I say, yeah, and the best of health to each and everyone out there. Alright? Yes, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here is the video. Take a look and observe.
Blessed love, Trinidad and Tobago and the world. Give thanks to life and the mighty life giver, you know. Give thanks to love and everything that has come good. I don't usually do videos something, but something now happened and I had to do this video. I selling, doing my little business, selling my food, something out here. A youth man talking to a next youth man from over a wall. One on the wall, one on the pavement. A police vehicle pull up just so. Jump out, cuff down the youth man. Literally cuff him down, slam him down on the ground. Take his phone, mash his phone. So I start watching, so I take out my phone and I start to record and I paying attention to everything. Police turn to me now, and telling me now, Ras, come, delete that. Then come, raise the firearm and say, Ras, come. So I walk up to him and want to take my phone from me. I said, nah, you're not supposed to touch my phone. Slap my phone out of my hand. Take my phone, delete it, and telling me now, he had no problem killing fucking me. And he would tell me, and he would mash up my fucking phone and start to cuss and cry. So I asking him if this is how the police have to behave in this time in here now. Because the country is supposed to be going through a crisis. And this is the type of behavior the law getting on with. Well, they can't be advantaging people for no reason at all. The youth man ain't doing nothing, he talking normal. You're threatening to kill the youth man, you cuff him down, you mash up your phone. And for what? You watch a big man like me, I older than this little boy. This little boy with Babylon firearm in the judgment hand, I older than this youth man. And this youth man go watch me and want to disrespect me like that and tell me he had no problem killing me. It ain't no scene. This can't be where Trinidad and Tobago going. This can't be where it's going. And this go just be the start. Because if that's how they're going on and this now start, when people start to get desperate and hungry, poor people, they would kill us out for nothing. So let's be humble and wise. Save all the food and put it on the place. And do the necessary measures to protect ourselves. Because the only protection out here is God. The police is supposed to be protecting me. They're not doing it. And I pray that Alexander get this video. I pray that the commissioner get this video also. Because it's wickedness. And poor people going through this daily. Not every black man is a thug. Not every black man is a murderer. What happened with our good people out here? Look at the business I doing. I selling fruits. I helping people battle the coronavirus just for the simple things I selling daily. And you want to come and disrespect a big man like me for that? Fire burn, man. Trinidad and Tobago. There's Cassie again. Blessed love.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.